What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video here on Muddy Beards 4x4. Today I'm going to make a quick mount for my handheld radio before I head out to King of the Hammers, so stick around. Now, back when I first started four-wheeling almost 13 years ago with this Jeep, CB radios were all the rage. That's what all the cool kids had. I had one in here and it never worked properly. I never could get it to work right. None of our group of friends could get it to work right. I know there's a lot of you out there that can make them work properly, and I didn't have somebody professional look at it to get it tuned and get everything to work properly. So that's on me. But handheld radios are the way to go. These things are super convenient. You can pop it in your pocket when you're out doing spotting, and I have two because if I have a passenger, passenger can pop out, do spotting, they can film, we can talk to each other. It's super easy, super cheap, super convenient, and it works really well. But the only problem in my Jeep, you might not have the same issues as me, is I have absolutely nowhere to mount this thing. I either have to have it like on my lap, in a cup holder, which usually I'm using both of the cup holders for either my phone, which I don't have a mount for either. And so I'm going to kind of address a couple of those things in this video. Another thing I do is I clip it up here on my visor, but I hit any bump and the visor breaks loose and it falls just like that. And I mean, it falls all the time, and they held up really well. I haven't had any problems with them. But you can see on my dash, I don't really have any room. I can make some sort of mounting system up on my roll cage here. That seems like clamps, and it might be really cool in the long term, but I just need something to quick and easy that I can mount this to and be done in like a half hour or less, because I got a lot of other stuff to do. I spent a few minutes with a knife and scissors and made this little template here. So the radio will slide into here, and the bottom piece here will snap into that, and it won't be able to come out. Now, one option up and out of the way is if I put a bend in it here and basically just bolt it to the top of the dash right here. And that'd be super convenient, and it'd be really easy to do, but I'd have to just put some self-tappers into this plastic right here. And I don't know if that's gonna hold up over time. It might be good for right now, but it might crack this, and I don't want to have to buy another one of these dashes. So what I think I'm going to do is up in this header area where this tie-in, I think for the soft top or bikini top or whatever, the strap would go through and you can tighten it down. I think what I'm going to do is do something like this, where it's going to mount right up here, and it's up out of the way, and it's super easy. I just, no bends, and I can just bolt it to existing holes right here. Like I said, up out of the way, and I can grab it really easily, and it's not blocking any view of anything. We got the plate, and it slides in and locks into place. Just need to drill a couple of holes here, and I already got a template for it because that little piece that I took off from the top. So just need to measure how far down and just drill it out in the center and call it a day. Today's video is sponsored by Quadratech.com, the home of over 100,000 Jeep parts. So I'm going to show you a couple of Quadratech parts that I got on my Jeep right now. I'm not currently on my Jeep. We got ourselves some Quadratech gloves. This is a 5-layer Jeep cover for when I park my Jeep outside. And if you guys hadn't seen the video already, this is a master top, soft top. It is a fastback, and it is a frameless. Go back to the last video where I installed this if you want more information about that. Going inside the Jeep, we got Quadratech floor mats. These things are pretty sweet. We got them front and rear, and then also the rear cargo area as well. Hard to see that. And my favorite piece right here is the cell phone mount. It's a magnetic cell phone mount that mounts to your handle on the passenger side, which is pretty sweet because I don't think there's any other mounts for a TJ for a cell phone. If you know about them, leave that down in the comments. But that is pretty sweet right there. It's really nice to have that. If you have never checked out quadratech.com, make sure you click that link in the description. Go check it out. Here it is. Doesn't look like much. I haven't painted it yet. Just want to test fit it. I trimmed a little bit more off the top, make it look a little bit nicer. Didn't need to be so big. Up here, super easy. Snaps in just like that. All we got to do now is give it a quick paint job and we should be good to go. Here it is, guys. Doesn't look like much, but just really practical and easy to use, and I think I'm gonna really enjoy it. I have it set it this way so I can hit the button, so like I don't even have to take it off to talk. I can just talk from here, from the driver's seat, and if I need to take it off, I can. And you know, it's not perfect, but you know, it's definitely way better than it just flopping around in the Jeep. Well, there it is, guys. Not much to look at, but it's very practical and it works really well. I'm excited to try it out at King of the Hammers this next week. So when this video comes out, I will be on my way to King of the Hammers with Nate from Dirt Lifestyle. We will be there all week, and Barnes 4-Wheel Drive is sponsoring a trail run February 2nd, 9 a.m. outside the BFG tent. First 20 people that get there and sign the waiver will be able to go on the trail ride. So if you like the videos we're making here on Muddy Beards 4x4, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, drop me a comment down below. We got a website with shirts, stickers, discount codes, including Barnes 4-Wheel Drive. All the links are down in the description and on our website. So until next time, we'll see you on the trail, and hopefully we'll see you on the trail at King of the Hammers.